Hi, this video is task 4, importing crime data for dangerous databases. Now what we need to do is download this CSV file. If you open this in a new tab, you can see the CSV file is here down at the bottom. If you tick it, don't click the link, but tick it and then download it. And you need to download it and save it to the same folder you've got your Access database in. So I've got mine in my OneDrive, in my computing folder, in my dangerous database folder, and there is the list. Click save and it will put it into that folder. Now, you've got your database that you started earlier. You've already got a nice suspects table you set up. You've got a nice form that you designed. This time what we want to do is import some new data. So what we're going to do is go to new data source, from file, text file, and we want to import the source data into a new table in the current database. That box there is important to tick. Browse to the folder, make sure you're going to the same location as you downloaded it, so computing and into dangerous database. Here's the file, and it's a comma separated variable file. So it's very simple, it's just one line of data per record. Click OK and it will then look at the data, and as you can see, every record is on one line separated by a comma, hence comma separated variable. Ours is going to be delimited, and we then on the next page have to make sure comma is selected. But the other thing we have to select, now pause at this point to get this done, first row contains field names. There we go, so we've got criminal ID, name, surname, and you can see it's neatly finding all of the fields for us automatically. So once we've done that, we click next, and it goes through and checks that the data types you're setting up are correct. So it recognizes, in most situations, recognizes the data you're trying to import and allocates it to a correct data type. Just briefly check through that. We're quite happy to let Access add the primary key, and notice it will just create two mirrored records. So criminal ID is going to be our own primary key, and as you can see, it's chosen it, and every record must be unique in there. Click next, and it wants to know what table to import it to, and it finds the existing name. Please leave that as it is, and I will know that's imported data, not data you've created. When you click finish, what you should see, don't need to save the steps, just click close. A new table in your table section, and if you double click on it, all the data that you need to solve the crimes. Good luck with task 5.